Hey everybody, this is Los, and today we're going to be looking at the Cooler Master TD500. We're going to look at a couple of things. First of all, we're going to look at obviously the build that's in it. It's a pretty good modern build. And more importantly, we're going to look at the color theme on it. Specifically, I'm going to show how we went from this to this. When looking at the Cooler Master TD500, the case already has a little bit of spice, a little bit of flair to it. With its diamond style mesh front and elegantly cut tempered glass, the Cooler Master TD500 will certainly spruce up any computer hardware that it houses. The three included RGB fans add a lot of value to its retail price. And while this is not a full-on review of the case, suffice to say that this is a great option for anyone looking to build a standard PC build. Heck, even Gamers Nexus gave this case a solid endorsement. With all that being said, here is the end result of what a can of spray paint can do to transform this case into something unique. I introduce to you the black and yellow theme. To polish this off even further, we threw in some handcrafted custom cables from EnSourced that matched the black and yellow theme. I was very happy with the end results. Simple, fun without going overboard. Before getting into the hardware, let's get to the copper shavings of how this simple paint job was done. Alright everybody, we're going to get into how I ended up modding the case. Nothing too involved, again just a spray paint of a few items on the case. And you're going to need 4 basic items to get this job done. To begin with, you're going to need a Scotch-Brite pad, frog tape, can of primer, and of course the spray paint color of your choice. With those items on hand, you'll get your mesh front here. A few screws will take it out from the panel. You will mask off the Cooler Master logo, and with your Scotch-Brite pad you will sand the surface of the mesh. And the reason for that is there is a type of coating that is on here that needs to come off so that the paint sticks to the surface a lot better. And the Scotch-Brite pad will certainly get that job done. Once that is done, you will of course apply anywhere from 2 to 3 super light coats of primer, 8 to 10 minutes apart. And of course finish it off with the spray paint color of your choice. 4 to 5 coats, also 8 to 10 minutes apart. And this process also applies to the GPU bracket that came with the graphics card and the PCIe slot covers that are in the back of the case. And that, in a nutshell, is how we got that done. Here is the complete list of the hardware found in the black and yellow build. While I won't get into every single item on this list, there are 3 pieces of hardware that are worth giving an extra mention to. The Ryzen 5 5600X, a 6-core 12-thread chip powered by AMD's Zen 3 architecture, considered to be the class-leading mid-range chip to get since its release. Paired with this is the Asus ROG Strix B550A gaming motherboard. Together, this motherboard chip combination provides a foundation for a strong PC build. The third highlight is of course the GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. This one is the MSI Gaming X Trio, a beefy card that comes with a bracket that of course was painted to complement the color of this theme. Pretty exciting hardware going into this Cooler Master TD500, especially that beefy 1070 Ti. That's a very impressive graphics card. Anyways, let's see how it all goes together in this quick montage, this build montage. It's not a how to build a PC, just a quick show of how all this stuff comes together. Música maestro.
We'll be right back after this message.
So how did all that hardware put together with the black and yellow theme turn out? Well, pretty good here, as we're going to see here in about a minute or so with the cinematic B-roll part of the video. But before we depart, I just want to thank everybody for stopping by here and checking out my video. And certainly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as we can expect a lot more of these type of videos coming our way. And I guess for now, Los is going to say adios. So without further ado, let's cue up the music.